everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited today because I am going to be reviewing some of the products from the MAC Aladdin Collection. Aladdin was one of my favorite Disney princesses growing up, and this collaboration is just freaking amazing and I can't wait for the movie to come out. And I will sort of give pros and cons towards the end of this video, so do stick around to watch that. But for now, let's test these babies out. I've done my foundation, concealer, brows and powder. So the next thing I want to use is a bronzer, and it's this baby here. This is called Your Wish Is My Command Powder Blush. I'm going to take this Morphe E49 brush to do my bronzer. I'm so excited for the movie. I love the cast that they've picked and the trailers look so exciting. I actually haven't bought MAC products in such a long time, but I never ended up purchasing the Cinderella collection. But I do resonate more with the Aladdin movie, so I had to get this collection. Now I'm going to contour my nose a little bit as well because Jasmine has a very small pointy nose. Now time for the highlighter. This highlighter again is embossed with the lamp and it looks gorgeous. The girl at MAC was like, you can wear this all over your face. She's like, oh, it gives you a very nice, like, beautiful glow. But I'm like, no honey, I am so oily that it is going to melt off my face and make me look sweaty. So I'm just going to take a fan brush and use this on the high points of my cheeks. The highlighter is called Always One Jump Ahead. My nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit above the arch of my brow as well. And just take a little bit of this highlighter. I'm going to apply this right underneath the arch of my brows. Now I'm going to use a little Prep and Prime Fix Plus that I got with my purchases. It's just a teeny tiny one. It's so adorable. Tiny but effective. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the eyes. So this is the Princess Jasmine palette. Now it's really hard to actually know which color is called what, because if you have a look at the back of the packaging, it's literally jumbled up here. I had a look at their website and they have the name of the eyeshadow and then the description of the eyeshadow, but they're not in order on the website. So I'm going to attempt to have a look at the website and hopefully say out the colors that are actually right, but I'm not sure because it's just so hard to read at the back of the packet. I'm guessing this color is called Agrabah. So I'm just going to pop that on my crease. Ooh, it's actually quite pigmented. And I'm going to go in with more of like a cat eye look today. I feel like Jasmine's eye is quite elongated and it has like the wing as well, which we will definitely be doing today. Comment down below who was your favorite princess growing up, guys. I would love to know. Mine was a tie between Ariel and Jasmine. I could never ever decide which one I liked more. Whenever I went to the pool with my sister, like we would both play Little Mermaid, or you know, I'll be under the water, in my mind I'd be like, ah. But you know what? I am so not alone. So many other people have told me that they've done that in their childhoods. These eyeshadows are so close to each other, but when I grab one, there's fallout on the other one, which I don't like. Now there's only one other matte color to smoke out this look, which is, let me figure out what it's called. It's called Shadow Lady, which is described as Blackened Plum. I'm going to pick it up with the Inglot 10S brush. Oh my god, I looked at it as if there was a mirror in there. Oh, there's no mirror in the palette. I'm going to smoke this out, creating more of a cat eye. I wanted to see Aladdin in the theaters as well, but you know, didn't plan it very well. I've heard such good things about that one, and yeah, I just missed out. But the movie is just as exciting. For me, it's just like a sister movie. We quote Aladdin like crazy. I always remember just forcing her to watch it. And I think being Middle Eastern slash, you know, South Asian, it's a little bit more relatable and the culture is like similar. It's very relatable, so I was really excited, and I think I just resonated with Jasmine just so much more compared to the other Disney movies, even though I still loved the other movies as well. I'm just like a huge Disney fan. I can't even tell you the amount of times that I still sit down and my downtime is watching Disney movies. But yeah, the actor, I think his name is Nima Masood. He's playing Aladdin and he is like such an amazing choice for Aladdin. Like when I first looked at him, like there was like a photo of him that was going around the internet. Oh! Does anyone know what Jasmine's nationality is? Comment down below before I tell you guys. She is from Iraq, which I absolutely live for. I've created this sort of blown out, very smoky cat eye look. Because Jasmine has very big, juicy and beautiful eyes, I'm going to go in with MAC Eye Core Pencil in Fascinating. And that gives you an illusion of big looking eyes. This collection did come with an eyeliner. It was like a black eyeliner. I didn't end up purchasing that. I think it's called graphite eyeliner that MAC sell, but it's just repackaged into the Aladdin collection. And I already have so many black eyeliners and I didn't want to get that. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of concealer on a flat brush and I'm going to just carve out a cut crease. And I'm taking a very small brush. This is the Inglot 11 SS brush. And this does wonders when it comes to cut creases. And we'll do a soft cut crease today so it won't be too defined. Now just on the outer edge near the dark plum color, I'm going to be using this color here. I think this is called Abu. I'm just going to press that just on the outer edge and this will give it a little bit more of a plum look. Now that it's given our look a little bit of color, just going to blend that out again. I'm going to go in with this color which is called Rags to Riches. I'm going to use that here. Having a base to these eyeshadows really does help because I think they're designed to be a little bit more buildable as to just going straight away with a banging color. This is a very pretty color, Rags to Riches. To blend this gold color with the plum color we used earlier, I'm going to use this color here. Now I have no idea what it's called. I literally spent the past 10 minutes trying to figure out what it's called, but I have no idea. Now I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line and I'm going to be using a combination of the colors that we used on top. I'm going to take the Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper Black and create a flick. I went a little crazy with my liner, but that's okay because Jasmine's eyes are very... If I swatch this looks to me almost the very same pigment that is in the collection. So this is MAC Rose Pigment, and pick up the pigment and place it in my inner corners. I don't know if it actually goes with the look, but I just wanted to show you what the pigment looks like because I didn't end up purchasing it. I'm going to use the Too Faced mascara. I don't want to take away from the eyeshadow too much, so I'm going in with Huda Beauty lashes in Camille, number 16. They're really nice and sort of natural lashes. They flare out on the outer edge, so they will exaggerate my cat eye, which I love. Now, as I said, there were 4 lipsticks in this collection. I ended up purchasing 2 of them. The color that I was just automatically drawn to out of all the lipsticks was this color called Raja. MAC lipsticks honestly smell amazing. Like, this vanilla scent is just I'm just gonna try it on for you guys and you guys can see, but I don't think it goes with my look today. So the color I will be wearing is the other one, but I'll show you this one first because I just love this color so much. This color is absolutely beautiful and I am definitely feeling this color. But let's have a look at the other color as well. This one's called Princess Incognito. I actually really like the color Raja with this look, so I don't know, maybe I should change it. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with Diamond in the Rough lip gloss. It's gold with literally silver glitters or something like that because it's so reflective. Let me know if you like the darker lipstick or the lighter lipstick better in the comments below, because I'm really feeling this one, but I really like the other one as well. I'm just going to use a little bit of this little Fix Plus all over my skin. Now time to accessorize. And now we are accessorized. Okay, so let's talk a bit about the products. When the collection came out, I went to MAC and I was like, so roughly how much would it be for everything? And she's like, around $500 or over. And I was like, I didn't want to purchase every single thing because I didn't think that I would get wear out of every single thing as much as I wanted to show you everything. It just wouldn't suit me, and the things that I didn't get, I would never reach for again. The collection comes with 3 lip glosses, 4 lipsticks, 1 palette, a bronzer slash blush, a highlighter, kohl pencil, pigment, and a like shiny lip gloss. The first thing I used was the blush slash bronzer, and this one is called Your Wish Is My Command. And this highlighter slash blush, I'm not sure why both of them say blush on the back. And this one is called Always One Jump Ahead, and these are absolutely stunning. Obviously, I'm speaking for my own skin tone. They're not going to complement everyone's skin tone. This was a perfect color for me. It's like a nice chocolatey brown, not ashy, not too orange, and it was absolutely perfect. The highlighter is beautiful. It's like a beautiful gold wet sheen. The lamp embossed into the actual product is just to die for. Love the packaging on the outside as well. The blue and the gold really complement each other. Now these 2 products were 45 Australian dollars each, and it's just amazing. I wonder what the pigment's called. The pigment is called Rose, and the one I had is also called Rose, so it has to be the same one. Moving on to the palette. Firstly, the packaging could have been so much more creative. I feel like Aladdin is such a culture-rich, creative movie that you can do so much with it. It has so much color, so many designs that you can incorporate. So I was a little bummed by this packaging. It's very plain MAC palette packaging. I do love the gold at the back, but I really do think that they could have done something else with the front. Now the colors, as beautiful as they are, I would have expected a Jasmine palette to be much more vibrant, much more stronger in colors. I definitely expected like a blue in there somewhere. I just expected a little bit of like, you know, Arabian Nights, like boom. Princess Jasmine is such a strong presence, and because this palette is called the Princess Jasmine palette, I felt like it lacked the strength of Jasmine. I do wish there was a medium matte in there as well. There's only sort of like, other than sort of bone color, there is 2 mattes only, so like a transition color and then a really smoky color. So I wish there was something in between. Palette retails for $65 and it comes with 9 colors. Also, the names of the colors, they are so compacted at the back of this is that you can't actually read it properly. So if I show you the actual packaging, someone wanted to read the ingredients or read again the names of the colors in the palette, like you can't read it properly. Even looking on their website, the colors weren't really in order. The name and the description, like the names are really cool, and I really like hoped that I could sort of been like using like Diamond in the Rough or I'm using Abu. It's just little details that at the end of the day do matter. However, I do really like how all of the packaging inside is a different color, and I am actually loving that. It is like colored from the outside. Same with the bronzers as well. There's a purple inside, and the lip products have like an orange inside. So I really love the cardboard packaging of this. Moving on to the lip products. Now, the two lipsticks I ended up purchasing were Raja, which is the dark one I tried in the video, and Princess Incognito, which is the one I'm wearing. Actually, I haven't worn like a light pink in such a long time that I just fell in love with this one. The other two that I didn't purchase, I wouldn't really get much wear out of them, so I didn't get them. One was really light pink pale, and I tried it on, it just looked really bad on me. It looked like concealer lips on me, so I was like, I'm never gonna wear this again, so I didn't purchase it. And the other one is a bright pink, which is gorgeous, but then again I was like, I'm not really gonna wear it. The packaging of these lipsticks is bomb. The lipstick is all gold and it has peacock feathers all the way around, and all the lipsticks are $39. The last thing I used was a lip gloss. Yes, it's called lip gloss. I got the one in Diamond in the Rough and it is gorgeous, as you can see. Personally, haven't tried MAC lip glosses before, and I have to say they are amazing. They look so beautiful on that I have fallen in love with these, and I might have a look at the other ones they've got and might purchase them as well. Now this one, it was $37. I love the packaging of this one. This one is beautiful, very reflective. I feel like all the colors they've used in this packaging really resemble the dresses Naomi Scott actually wears in Aladdin. It's all wrapped up very well. Other than the palette, I was happy with every single thing. I think out of everything, the lipsticks and the lipstick and the lip gloss is my favorite. I hope you guys like this video. I actually had a lot of fun and there was a lot of excitement for me while filming this video. If you have tried this collection, please comment down below and give me your thoughts, because I am totally up for a discussion about this upcoming movie and this collaboration as well. It is absolutely amazing. When it comes to Jasmine, when it comes to Aladdin, I just had to purchase it because it just reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of good times with my sister. I can literally go on and on about this movie and these products, so I'm going to stop right there. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. My Instagram is always down below. Do follow me via the link below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Love ya. Bye.